Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, and I'm gonna show you how to add and remove the Google account on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen and then tap on the settings icon. Once in settings, let's scroll down, find accounts and backup and tap on it. Here tap on the accounts and then tap on add account. Now let's select Google. Then tap right here and enter the account name. Then tap next. Here we need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. And once you're done entering the password, tap next. Here tap on I agree. Right here we can scroll down and tap accept. And as you can see, the Google account was added. And to remove it, simply tap on it right here in the accounts menu. Tap on remove account and then tap on remove account again. And as you can see, our account was removed. And that's how you add and remove the Google account on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.